This is the AUXITO 9006 LED headlight bulbs. You'll need to verify what type of bulbs your vehicle takes. Like I said, these are 9006. There are many others available. Let's open the box. In the box you get the product manual, a replacement set of O-rings, and the headlights themselves. So here they are. I want to tell you a little bit about them. First of all, as you look at them, they are aluminum. They're not just painted plastic. They are actual, real aluminum. And that black thing on the back is a fan to keep it cool. It'll draw air through these vents. It has an O-ring installed already. You can see the LEDs right there on each side. And of course the other bulb is exactly the same. So let me tell you a little bit more about these, and then I'll show you how easy they are to install. First of all, I want to show you that they are the identical size to the actual halogen that you're probably replacing in your vehicle. Absolutely identical size, so it's a guaranteed fit, provided your vehicle takes the particular bulb, again this being a 9006. Because of that, the location of the LEDs is exactly the same as the filament on the halogen bulb. And what that means is it's going to have the same cutoff point as halogens, so it won't blind other drivers. These bulbs are 12,000 lumens, so 6,000 lumens per bulb, and they have a 50,000 hour lifespan. You might think, well, 50,000 hours doesn't sound like a long time. It actually is. If your commute home from work is about an hour, and you do that 5 days a week, that's 5, 10, 15, 20 hours a month that these will be on, provided you don't go out at night on the weekends. So 20 hours a month times 12 is 240, and I can't even divide that into 50,000 without a calculator, but it's a fairly large number. So it's going to last for quite some time. So now I'm going to show you how to install these bulbs in your car. Now the car we're going to be installing these in is this 2003 Toyota Camry. Now the problem with trying to install these while showing it to you in the car, there's just nowhere to put the camera, and the way the sun comes in, you're just not going to get a good picture. So I'm going to do a better way. I happen to have a spare headlight assembly, so I'm going to bring that in and show you up close exactly how the bulbs get installed. Now the first thing to do is to locate your actual headlight bulb. On this particular car, it's this one here. Not that, because that's the daytime running light. Now if you don't know, just start your car up, put all the lights on, and see what comes on. And then, while it's on, you can just trace back, just with your hand like that, and you'll know that that's where it is. So here is the bulb itself, the original halogen one that we're going to take out. Now I want you to notice here that there's a little clip on that, and the connector that's on there has a little like push button. You press and hold that and just sort of wiggle it out of there, and it'll come right out. You may have to try a few times. This isn't one of those things where it's just pulling a lamp cord out of a wall socket. It takes a little bit of finesse. Not bad at all. Just play with it and you'll get it in under a minute for sure. So to remove the bulb, you have to twist it one way or the other. See, this way I can't turn it, but this way I can. And it'll turn just that much. You see like that? It turns just that much, and then you just sort of wiggle it out, and there's your old bulb. Now if this bulb is still good, you want to try to refrain from touching it there, because the oils on your skin can do damage later on. Now here's the important thing about this. This is keyed. So if you look closely, there's a large ear, another large ear, and a smaller ear. Now on this particular assembly, they just have like a little pin in there, if you can see up close, but that does make that opening smaller. So you have your two large ears and the smaller one. So we know, we'll just go by the smaller one. So there's that. So we know that if we go right in like that, we're going to have it just right. Push it in and turn, and it goes in. So now for the LED bulb, we'll take this back out. Here's the replacement bulb, a large one, and a small one. So it's very, very simple to install. Just line up the tabs as we had set forth, and you'll see that it will fit right in. Twist to lock, just like the halogens came out. See? Same thing as the halogens. They go right in and lock into place just like that. And only because I have everything handy, I'm going to just light this up for you here so you can see what it looks like. Obviously, of course, later I'm going to take you out to the car and give you a drive time at night so you can see what they can really do for you. So I'm going to shut the room lights out, and we'll go ahead and turn this on. All right, here we go. Once it turns on, the camera is going to need to adjust to this, so it'll take just a moment. And that's what it would look like. Now, obviously, this is an old assembly right here. It's faded and yellowed and all that great stuff. So if your car, the reflector's in better condition, obviously you're going to get even more light output, and it'll look a lot better. This was off an old 2002 Toyota Camry that was junked because it no longer ran, so I happen to have the assembly handy. So that's what it looks like in there. And just to show you what the halogen looks like, I'm going to switch to that now. And here's what the old halogen looks like. Definitely a lot dimmer than the LED, that's for certain. So they certainly are a lot brighter than your standard halogen bulbs, without a doubt. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the halogen on the top and the LED on the bottom. You can tell that the LED is considerably brighter than the halogen. Now, I'm going to go actually install these on the car, and then we'll take you for a drive. Well, this is about as dark as it gets around here. Now I'm going to go and put the headlights on. Bam! Excellent, excellent, excellent. Lights up practically the whole road. That is fantastic. I'm going to let the car warm up for just a minute because it's kind of cold out, and then we'll take it for a spin. Alrighty, off we go. Just going to go around the block. You can see how extremely bright the road is lit up ahead. It's a little darker down this side street here, so and over there's two other white objects or white and yellow objects that really show up. Handles on that door, they actually have lights in them. I didn't realize they did that. But look at this fence here on the right. Look how that lights up. Really nice. When there's street lights, of course, your headlights, well, they just are. So there's nothing I can do about that. But in the darker areas like here, that road is lit up bright. What's really nice about this is it not only lets you see, but it lets other drivers see you as well. And that can help to avoid any potential accidents in the dark of night. A dark stretch over here for a little bit. Look how that just lights up. Even the car ahead, that far away, that's 6-8 car lengths away easily. Still lit up nice. So everything really pops and really gets nice and bright and really lets you see at night, which is the whole point of headlights. So it's not just a great deal, it's also a safety thing. So once again, this was the AUXITO 9006 LED headlight bulbs. They're available once again in a myriad of different types to fit your particular vehicle. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on the manufacturer's website. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.